The 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy. How to make a guaranteed 57 pips in just a few hours this Christmas. Hi, I'm James Williams, and in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to reveal to you a little known yet highly profitable trading strategy that's guaranteed to make you profits this coming Christmas. How does an extra 57 pips profits sound to you? The best part? Not just any profits, but guaranteed profits. Curious? Well, stick with me for the next few minutes as I take you on a behind-the-scenes look into how the strategy works and the proof behind it. Plus, this is the exact same strategy that has consistently made me money every single year for the past 8 years. It's 100% accurate, dead simple, and guaranteed to make you money this coming Christmas. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which currency pair, whether to long or to short, and most importantly, the exact timings to enter and exit the trade. Ready? Great. In a moment, I'll pull out some charts. And when you're watching the charts with me, I'll guide you at each step. You'll begin to spot a common pattern that occurs every single Christmas period consistently for the last 8 years. It's important that you keep a close eye to the charts and spot the pattern, because that's when the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy becomes crystal clear to you. So when you're ready, let's start with the first chart, Christmas period of year 2011. Before that, let's look at the calendar of December 2011. You'll notice that Christmas Day fell on Sunday, and the market is closed that day. To make money with this strategy, you need to look at the immediate day when the market first reopens after Christmas. In this case, it's the 26th of December, a Monday. Now let's look at how the market behaves just before the market closes before Christmas to when it first reopens. This is the euro-dollar chart on a 30-minute time frame. I've drawn a trend line by connecting all the higher lows, and I've also drawn a channel. Notice how the market goes into an uptrend right after Christmas? So what's the best thing to do when you see an uptrend? Well, you buy. I entered the market when the price was 1.3033 and subsequently closed my trade at 1.3070. I made a short trade here and captured 37 pips. That's a quick and easy profit of $370. This is just one instance of how the market behaves during Christmas. Let's look at another live case study back in December of 2010. This is December of 2010, and you'll see that Christmas Day fell on a Saturday. So the market reopens on Monday, the 27th of December. Now let's look at how the market behaves just before the market closes to when it first reopens. Again, you just have to look at the euro-dollar chart. Remember, this is a simple money-making strategy which requires you to focus on just one specific currency pair. You can see that the market is in an uptrend. Does it look familiar? At the same period of time in 2011, there was an uptrend too. I entered a long trade at 1.3078 and closed my trade at 1.3157, capturing 79 pips. If you are still skeptical, that's $370 from 2011 and $790 from 2010. So far, this strategy has made me a nice and easy $1,160. Now I know what you're thinking. That's not a big deal, James. People earn thousands in forex trading a day, and this is what you get after 2 trades in 2 years? Well, that's okay. Remember, I like to keep things simple and practical. If my strategy can get a smaller amount of money consistently, I'll take it. I'm telling you, consistency is the key to making real money in the forex market. Let's look at one last live example back in 2009. In 2009, Christmas fell on a Friday, so the market reopened on the 28th, a Monday. Notice a trend similar to December 2010 and 2011? You will see that I entered when the price was 1.4359 and subsequently closed my trade after it rallied to 1.4408. In this one trade, I made $490 of easy profits. Now you're probably thinking that 3 years of predicting uptrends during a specific month of the year and making some profits isn't enough to prove that a strategy is statistically sound. So here's what happened in 2008. Uptrend. In 2007, uptrend. In 2006, uptrend. In 2005, uptrend. In 2004, uptrend. Well, the good news is that I've been making money with this strategy for the last 8 years, and here's tabulated proof of all the trades I've executed over the years. There's enough data to prove that this strategy is 100% statistically sound. This table shows you everything you need to know. I've listed the entry and exit dates, and more importantly, the profits I've made using this technique. You will also realize that each trade never exceeds 24 hours. The point of this technique is to hit heavy and run away. We don't want to leave our trades open for days. We want to seize the buying opportunity, milk it, and leave. The yellow box shows you my profit totals of $4,560. That's about $570 extra each year on top of what I usually earn on my daily trades. But I want you to look at the orange box. My strategy has been tried and tested for 8 years. With 8 wins out of 8, the probability of success is 100%. Now you may be thinking, a few $100s isn't impressive, but your profits needn't be limited to just $570 a year. In all my trades, I illustrated with just a 1-lot size sample. As I said, this is a hit heavy and run away strategy. Given that the success rate has been 100% for the last 8 years, wouldn't it make sense that you trade with more leverage to trade a larger lot size during this golden timing? You could easily double or triple your earnings while still taking little or no risk. So to sum it up, here's how you can trade with the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy. There are just 3 conditions that you need to look out for. Condition number 1. You trade the euro-dollar currency pair. Condition number 2. You trade at the golden timing. Enter when the first Asian market, that is Japan, reopens after Christmas. Condition number 3. You buy. There is no catch to this. The market has shown it always goes up at this specific period, so buy the euro-dollar. It's a low-risk, high-probability strategy that's guaranteed to make you profits. The only drawback to this strategy is that it isn't perfect. After all, Christmas only comes once a year. And the one little obstacle you might face is that when the Japan market first opens, you might still be fast asleep, so you're likely to miss this trading opportunity unless you set your alarm and get up on time to place the trade. That's difficult and feels like a lot of work, and I personally don't like doing so much hard work as well. So in the next video series, I'm going to share with you an all-around, unique trading approach that has made me over $400,000 over the last 3 years, starting with just $3,500. I promise you that once you grasp my unique trading approach, it will make you money, guaranteed. Plus, I'll hand you a simple software that my programmers have written for me to execute my 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy on autopilot when the Japan market first opens. It's easy to use, fast to execute, and works like magic every single time. Now you've no excuses to not use my 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy. And when you profited from the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy, send me a message. I would love to hear your success story. Right now, if you've any questions, kindly do use the Facebook commenting feature found right below this video to post your questions and feedback. My team and I will do our utmost best to get right back to you. At the bottom of this video, You'll also find a download link to the transcript that contains the full details of the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy. Feel free to print it out and read it again. And remember, in the next video, which I will release 2 days from now, you'll get a behind-the-scenes look into my unique trading approach that took me from being $50,000 in credit card debts and facing certain financial ruin to finally turning everything around and becoming wildly successful. Plus, I'm also going to put my money where my mouth is and show you how I execute a live trade and see the profits rolling in. And you'll find access to download the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy EA software that automates the trade execution. So make sure you watch out for my second video, and in the meantime, please leave your comments, feedback, and questions below.